Solve A equals P times the quantity 1 plus R over N to the NT power for T. Now you'll notice that T, which is what we're solving for, is sitting up here in the exponent, so we're going to have to do a fair amount of work to isolate it. This is an equation that is used quite often in finance. The first step to solving this equation is going to be to divide both sides of this equation by P. When you divide the left-hand side of that equation by P, you get A over P. When you divide the right-hand side of the equation by P, you get 1 plus R over N raised to the NT power. Now, in order to get this T out of the exponent, I'm going to take the logarithm of both sides of this equation. I can use any base that I want. I'm just going to write log, which implies the common logarithm, or log base 10. So the log of the left-hand side is the log of A over P, and the log of the right-hand side is the log of 1 plus R over N raised to the NT power. One of the laws of logarithms says that whenever you have the log of some quantity raised to a power, that power can be brought down in front of the logarithm. And I'm going to apply that now. So nothing happens to the left-hand side. What happens to the right-hand side is that NT is brought down in front of the logarithm in this fashion. The next step to solve for T is we want to divide both sides through by N times the logarithm of 1 plus R over N. So take the left-hand side and divide it through by N times the logarithm of 1 plus R over N. And when you take the right-hand side and divide through by N times the logarithm of 1 plus R over N, you just get T. So the final answer here is T, which is what we're solving for, is the logarithm of A over P divided by N times the logarithm of 1 plus R over N. And that right there is this equation right here, solved for T.